In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can make up to $8,000 a month totally for free, even if you're brand new, even if you have no tech skills, or even if you have zero following online. As you follow me throughout this entire video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to find good products to promote. In fact, we're going to find 3 different products in a specific niche so we can actually earn commissions with multiple different income streams. Then towards the end of the video, I'm going to reveal to you a little known, totally free traffic method you can use today to get massive amount of visitors to your affiliate links. You can start to rake in commissions in multiple different streams very, very easily. And the cool thing about this traffic method is you don't have to show your face. You don't need a following. And if you set it up properly, which I'll show step by step, this could potentially earn commissions for you for months, if not years to come. What's going on? Garrett here. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I actually teach people exactly how to master affiliate marketing. If this actually is your first time though, and you never want to miss out on my latest step-by-step videos, be sure to smash the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest training. But without further ado, I want to go ahead and dive in right now. So the very first step is we need to find a good product or products to actually promote for this method. Now you can go to sites like ClickBank, JVZoo. We're actually going to use Digistore 24. This is a up and coming newer platform. A lot of people wanted me to make videos on this. So what you want to do is go to digistore24.com and you can go ahead and click register now in the top right. And what you can do is actually sign up totally for free. Now this is actually an affiliate platform. They have a lot of different products in many different niches that you can find to promote. And once you register, you just want to log into your back office. Okay. Now, if you're not already under the tab Marketplace, you want to click that at the top and make sure you're in the marketplace. Now this has all these different categories, animals and pets, betting systems. You can choose from many different categories. If you just want to follow me over the shoulder for this training video, I'm going to actually use fitness and health. Okay, so you want to click fitness and health, and they have all these different products. Okay, you can go down the line. Now, how do we choose one? Or in this case, 3 for this specific method. We're going to actually use 3 different products. What you want to do is sort results by sales rank. Now this is going to share with you some of the best selling products at the very top, and this is really good for this strategy. You also want to look at the earnings on average, how much you're going to make. Now for this product, it's about $42. We can scroll down. This is $37. Anything above $30 for this method is going to be pretty good because it's more of an impulse buy. So if you have a product that's above, let's say $100, you tend to need to follow up with those people and work to convert the lead. But if it's, roughly $30 to, up to $100, people will decide to buy right away in many cases. So what you can do is you can actually get your link here. If you don't see your link, you just have to click promote now, okay? And it actually will generate your affiliate link right here. Now I'm going to open up a notepad and I'm going to save the top 3 products in a notepad, which we'll use a little bit later. So go ahead and copy that and just paste that there. I'm going to do this one and you'll see how this all comes together, which is really, really powerful. And then you can go down and you can actually save this one as well to a notepad, okay? So now we have 3 different products and the affiliate links that link to those. The next step is we want to actually start to generate this traffic, okay? Because once we have the good products to promote, the next step is getting targeted people to that link. A lot of people, they just go out there, they start spamming links on social media, on Facebook, on Twitter. The problem is a lot of those people aren't interested in the niche the product is in. So we want to find people that are specifically looking to lose weight, master the keto diet in this specific example. So before we do that though, what we want to do is create a landing page or a sales page. I'm going to share with you how to do this totally for free, step by step. What you want to do is you want to go to a website called system.io. Now there's going to be a link directly below to actually sign up with a free account. What you want to do on this page is just click get my free account. Now what you can do is actually sign up totally for free, and they allow you up to 2,000 contacts if you actually want to start collecting emails. Now if you're someone that's actually serious though about making long-term income, I highly recommend you do at least the startup, because you get a lot more things that you can do with it, and it also will help you stay accountable. If you just do it for free, you don't have any skin in the game, and chances are you may not stick with it. But if you invest even $27 a month, now that's going to make sure that you use it and actually follow through. So go ahead, if you can, do the startup. If not, just start for free. Now, once you're inside your account, you want to go to the very top tab and you want to click funnels. Now we're going to actually create, like I said, a landing page, a page that we send people to, and we're going to actually sell each of these 3 products on that one page. So what we want to do is we want to click create right here, and you want to actually click custom. Now what that's going to do is that's going to allow you to customize it and and actually create the type of page we need. You can go ahead and put in a name. So for this, I'll do fitness products. Now that's just for you, and you're gonna hit create. Now this is gonna create a new funnel, okay, which is really just a page. We wanna hit create step right there. Again, you can name it, step 1. Type, you can do sales page, okay, and then hit save. Now that's done, right? That's gonna generate all these different templates. Now for the sake of this video, you can actually just choose, really any of these and start to modify it. So we can go ahead and select this one, for example. And what you can do is you can go ahead and edit, okay, right here, the page. Now we wanna actually customize it and make it look relevant to the niche we're in. So you can see they have this title, they have this video. So we don't need a video. We can remove that by clicking the trash can. We can go ahead and remove most of these little sections here by, hovering over when it's green and then just clicking the trash can. And we can go ahead and do that. Now I've actually already created a landing page so you can just see an example. It's very, very simple to create. You just want to go through and, for example, let's say I want to edit this title. I can go ahead and just, double click, or I can highlight and I can be, start typing, discover the best ways to lose weight, for example. Okay, I can edit this little title here. I can drag and move things around, okay, like that. I can edit the button text by clicking on there, coming down here, click here now. But I want to go to a page, like I said, I've already created, so you can kind of see what you want to model after when you go to create this on your own. So this is looking pretty good. Now this all has to do with the keto niche, okay? Because the top 3 products on Digistore 24 in the fitness and health category are mostly having to do with keto. So you can see right here, I made the title, Discover the Fastest and Easiest Ways to Lose Weight Today. You can model that after whatever niche you're in. Discover the fastest, easiest ways to make money today, to gain muscle, to meet your ideal lover, whatever niche you want to do. Discover top proven methods below. Now, this right here is the title of the first product. So if I go back here, you can see the Ultimate Keto Plan. I just copy and pasted that as the title. You can go ahead and do the same for your first product. Then for this little paragraph, I literally just edited, okay? So I went down, one of the sections had a paragraph function and I just went ahead and edited, okay? Like this one, for example, you can edit that. You just wanna write some text that has to do with the product. So often you can go ahead and find this on the actual sales page, okay? In this case, it's just a video, but a lot of these are gonna have actual text where you can go ahead and, you could even copy this, okay? And use that as the text right here. And then you just wanna put an image. You can go ahead and go to Google Images like this, okay, and I can just type in, keto photo and then just get one of these photos, okay, and I can upload it on our landing page. And then for the button, you can go ahead and customize. If you want to change the color, you can change the background color like that, different colors there, but that's looking pretty good. Now, once we do that, the thing we really want to make sure we do is we want to make sure this first button is linking to our first product. We want to actually highlight this, click this little wheel icon, and then we want to go to action when button clicked and click open URL. And then type in a URL. We want to open our notepad and we want to actually highlight this affiliate link and put it in just like that. Okay, now we can go ahead and save changes. So what's going to happen is when someone actually clicks this button, okay, so I can preview this, it would go to the affiliate link. Okay, so just like that. Boom. So that's pretty darn good. Now you may be wondering, well, how are we going to sell, 2 other products? How are we going to have multiple products on here? Well, it's very, very simple. Once you create this once, you can just click here, duplicate by clicking that little button, drag this down. I can put it there. I can go back to Digistore, go to the next product, Smart Blood Sugar, and I can go ahead and make that the title. And then I can literally just highlight here and I can hit boom. That's going to duplicate this down here, edit the text, edit the photo. And all I want to do for this button right here is I just want to highlight that and then change the URL to the next product. Okay, so essentially we're basically linking 3 different products that people will be interested in. So what's going to happen in effect is when we send people to this page, they're going to see this title. Okay, that's going to catch their attention. They're going to see the titles of these products. They're going to read over some information, and whatever product resonates, they're going to actually click that button and they're going to go to the affiliate link that we have linked. And what happens is when someone sees this product, because it's high converting and it's really good at selling the person on buying, and it's an impulse buy, okay, it's only about $30 per sale, then we're going to get a lot of people to make an instant purchase. They're going to click here and then they're going to go ahead and go to the order form. And then when they actually pay, we're going to be able to generate commissions. So you may be really excited about this. You may think, this is really amazing, but how do we actually start making money from this, right? How do we start getting tons of people going to this page and start to buy? Well, now what I want to do is I want to share with you this little known free strategy to get tons of visitors to your page so you can start to rake in these commissions. So the first step is what we want to do is we actually want to view this page right here. So view funnel step, and we want to copy the link at the very top of the page so we can send people directly here. So I'll put that in at the bottom of our notepad. That's going to be our page right there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually now go over to a website called blogger.com. Okay. Now a lot of people don't realize that you can actually create a free Blogger account, and this allows you to create different blog posts totally for free. Now, once you're on this page, we just click new post like that. And what we want to do is we want to create a title that says something similar to our page here. So I can literally just copy this. Okay. I can go here and I can go ahead and put that in right there. And then I can say, click this link to discover my top secrets to losing weight fast. Okay. Something like that. Again, you can modify it for your niche. Discover my top secrets to making money fast or whatever you're doing. And then we just want to highlight this and we want to actually go here and we want to click this little paperclip to insert a link. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to insert the link to the page we just created. Now, this is going to be very relevant in a second. Okay, so stay with me. Now, once we do that, we just want to click publish. So I'll share with you how this is coming together. So if I view this, this is what our post looks like. Discover the fastest, easiest ways to lose weight today. They click here, it's gonna take them to this page here. And then they can click our different buttons to go to the affiliate links. Now, you may be wondering right here, why did we create this page when we already have the other page? Well, that has to do with the free traffic method I'm gonna reveal right now. So go ahead, copy the blogger post. Okay, this is the last link we actually need for this to work. Let's go ahead and put that in there. Now, what we wanna do is go to Quora.com. Now, a lot of people don't even know about this strategy. It's incredibly powerful. And what Quora is, it's a question and answer website. So people post questions asking, wanting certain solutions. But what we can do is we can actually create a free account and we can find people's questions and we can answer their questions. So the first step is you want to create a free account. I've already done that. Then you just want to search. You want to type in a few words that have to do with the niche your products are in. So I can actually just type in keto and I can go ahead and search that like this. And then what I can do on the left side is I can search by questions. So what this is going to do is this is going to share with us all these different questions real people have been asking, wanting answers that have to do with the products we're promoting. So what we want to do is just open up one of these. What is the keto diet? And then what we can do is we can actually answer this post. Okay. Now you can see that it has, 1.3 thousand people that have followed this post. This alone can get you massive targeted free traffic. How? This is how. We click answer, and whatever the question is, you just want to write a few sentences that have to do with answering it. So you can say something like, chances are you may want to learn how to do the keto diet. Okay, now we're going to give a call to action to go to our blog post. I have a blog post with powerful methods to do the keto diet. Click here to learn more. We highlight this right here. We just click this little text there and we hit the paperclip and then we paste in the link to our blogger post. We paste that in, hit add, and then we just click post. And what this does is someone's going to see this question that has to do with the keto diet. What is the keto diet? Chances you may want to know how to do the keto diet. They click here to learn more. They go here. Now you may wonder why not just direct link to someone right here? Well, Quora doesn't really like direct linking to affiliate products and things like that. So this is just going to safeguard you from that. And chances are you'll be able to post successfully to Blogger because Blogger is a reputable large platform. So people trust it. So they go here, then they click this link. And then on here, they just read over it and whatever product resonates, they click there and then they'll see our affiliate link. They'll see the sales page. They'll decide to buy and we can get tons of free traffic. And the cool thing with Quora is if you just spend a few minutes each day answering some questions, this answer will be up there for years. Okay, so people will always stumble across this question, see our answer, click the links and buy. And we could be raking in commissions for years to come. Now, before I get going, a lot of people have been asking me though, this is great if you want to make $30, $100 per commission, but what if I want to make more per sale? I'm going to include a link directly below to a free training on how to make up to $1,000 per commission. So you need a lot less sales to make a lot more money. Be sure to check that out below. But that's it, my friend. I really hope you enjoyed learning this powerful strategy to earn $8,000 or more per month. If you liked it, you want me to make more, click the like button below to let me know. Also, again, subscribe to the bell icon. Otherwise, Otherwise, you may not see my future videos just like this one. And also comment below what social media strategy or platform you want me to teach you next. Twitter, YouTube. I know a lot of different strategies that I'll be happy to answer that for you. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next training.